Alrighty, so here in class we were working on a good idea. We had just talked about nouns. We brainstormed a list of nouns. We know that nouns are people, places, or things. Yeah, we might not always be able to touch those things, but we can still have those things, right? Okay, so what did you guys have? I was just settling down in front of the
TV.
You guys had TV. Okay, TV is an acronym. So for television, so it's capital, TV. When Tom suggested a barbecue, and for barbecue, what's the acronym we often use for barbecue? We often don't write out the whole word barbecue.
BQQ, right?
Close. BBQ. Yeah. BBQ is what we use for barbecue. Yeah. Suggested a BBQ in the backyard. Okay. So here's our test to see if we use nouns. Is TV a thing? Yes, it's a noun. Is a barbecue a thing?
Yes.
Yeah. Is the backyard a place?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Good idea, I thought. I looked in the
Grocery store.
So you quickly went to the grocery store. What would be closer to you?
Pantry.
Sure, the pantry or your
Yeah.
fridge, right? Should we change it to that?
Yes.
Sure.
Okay, because here you're going to go to find something later, right? I looked in the pantry and found burgers. Ooh, hopefully they didn't go bad. Burgers and buns. Pantry, person, place, or thing? Thing, place, maybe both, right? Burgers, person, place, or thing? Thing. Buns, person, place, or thing? Thing. Not think, but thing. With the G, right? Yeah. Okay. There was also a drink. Now, here's a question. We're going to talk about something called verbs in a minute, and you'll learn that a verb is an action word, right? So, you can use this word as a verb or a noun, which can get confusing. So, for example, I drink water when I'm thirsty. Okay? Here, drink is an action. It's something you're doing. Okay? Now watch this. I drink a soft drink when I'm thirsty. Thirsty. Okay? Now we are using drink as an action, a verb, but we're also using it as a noun. A soft drink is another word for pop, right? Or soda, some people say. So here it's a thing, here it's an action. Okay, so words can change. The part of speech can change depending on where you're using it in a sense. That's, you don't need, it's just complicated, but just a little introduction. Okay, so there was also a drink, so it can be a thing, right? Good start, but there was no coals. Now, if we're saying coals more than one, what do we need to do to the was? There was no coals, or there were. Yep. So all we would need to do is change that. Okay? To were. There were no coals. We can get some. What did you guys have? Wood. You're going to make your own coal. We can get some wood from the farmer. On the way to the city. Okay, let's do our check. Wood, person, place, or thing? Farmer, person, place, or thing? Person. City, person, place, or thing? Place. Awesome. We were out of the house in 5 minutes. Much better than
5 hours.
5 hours. Okay. House, person, place, or thing? Place, thing. Both, right? Minutes, person, place, or thing? Well, we know it's not a person, we know it's not a place,
Thing.
it's a thing. Even though you can't see it and touch it, have you ever heard somebody say, can I have a minute? Can I have a minute? Can have it, right? Much better than 5 hours. Same thing with hour. Can I have an hour? Now the 5, that's a different part of speech that we're not talking about right now. Okay, you guys have done really well. I want you to take a break, 10-minute break. When we come back, we're going to talk about verbs. Okay, so get up, stretch, move around. You too.